Hello everyone, this is Melvin from Pintos Automotives Diagnostics Pro. Today we have this 2004 Toyota Sequoia. It's a 4.7 liters, and we have a like kind of misfire. But somebody take a look, to the ignition coil, and there is no coil. This is what he think. But when I connect the scanner to this car, yes, I find the code P035. That means misfire on the cylinder number 5. Somebody try to unplug each ignition coil one by one, and he said or the engine keep when remove the plug from the ignition coil, they're shaking a little bit. He said there was okay, but when I connect my scanner, I found this code misfire on the cylinder number 5. So I say to the owner, please get a Denso or NGK spark plug. And yes, she did it, and also one ignition coil has to be Denso also, because we have to replace whole 8 spark plug and then put one ignition coil, the number 5 ignition coil. But in this car, which is the cylinder number 5? This BA, so that means 8 ignition coils. 2004 Toyota Sequoia. I think it's the same for the Toyota Tundra. This is my opinion. So which is cylinder number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8? So this is the front of the engine. We have to start with the left, on the driver's side. This ignition coil right here is for the cylinder number 1. The other side, number 2. This side next, this one right here, number 3. The other side, number 4. This, the third, ignition coil right here. Put it the hole over there. This is the cylinder number 5. And then to the other side, the number 6, number 7, right there, and then the number 8. So we have the impair number right here, 1, 3, 5, and 7. And for the passenger side, we have the 2, 4, 6, and 8. So that means I have a problem with the cylinder number 5, the third on the driver's side. So 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay. So when I take a look, to the spark plug, it was the original. This car only have 80 something miles. Unbelievable, but it's low mileage. But in my opinion, this is the original spark plug, Denso. And you can see how bad the spark plug was. The gap over there is too large. In the middle electrode, the center electrode, and the side electrode, this, too, is very large. The gap is very large. So that means it was time to replace. Before, they reach this mile, it was necessary to replace, the spark plug, maybe every 30,000 miles. And the new spark plug, you see the difference? Very short the gap, I get also, the Denso. So yes, so I replace the 4 on that side. Now I replace this one, the 7, and now the number 5. So this for the number 5 spark plug. And This is the ignition cord for the cylinder number 5. As you can see, also original Toyota Denso, made in Japan. And take a look, there is a large crack right here at the side of the ignition coil. This was, the problem. This is why they have the problem with the spark, because the spark come through this crack right here to the block, so the spark doesn't go all the way to the spark plug. They keep, it's supposed to have the spark has to come, from the center all the way to the end until reach the tip right there. But when there is a crack, the spark come out through the cracks to the block, engine block, and doesn't go to the spark plug. So that is why this give me a misfire code. So you have a problem with misfire. Before anything, connect the scanner and see which cylinder is misfiring, and then you have to figure out which is, each cylinder. You have to find where is the number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, wherever you have, and replace the right side. So we solve this problem replacing the 8 spark plug and 1 ignition coil. I hope you can solve your problem also. Thank you for watching Automotive Diagnostic Pro. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye.